within the website domain name where they are used. Secret contains 1000 element organized as 500 rows and 2 column. The first thing is that in this question के आपके पास एक प्रोग्राम है और उस प्रोग्राम के अंदर यूजर पासवर्ड एंटर करा रहा है ताकि वेबसाइट के अंदर लॉगिन हो सके। अगर आपके पास पासवर्ड नहीं है तो वो सेव पासवर्ड में से ऑटोमेटिकली इंसर्ट कर ले। आपके पास जो आपके पासवर्ड की लेंथ है दैट इज अ 4 digits and after that you have a hyphen and that's it, the first part. The second part is that you have a global 2D array. The name of the global 2D array is secret. The data type is a string. It is storing all of the passwords together along with the website domain name where they can be used. Secret contains 1000 elements that is organized as 500 rows and 2 columns since it is a 2D array. Unused elements contain the element empty string. This may occur. Now, an example of the part of the array is like, for example, if the array element is secret 27 is to value 1, it is going to give this value like www.thiswebsite.com. But similarly, if it is the same value but it is a different column like secret 27 2, it is going to show you the password into an encrypted form. Then again, if it is secret 21 is to first, this shows you the original password, and the second column shows you that it is an encrypted one. It is also stated in the question that for security purposes, passwords are stored in your encrypted form like this. The password cannot be used without being decrypted, and assume that encrypted form of password will not be an empty string. Yep, this is the whole scenario of the question. There is a website and a user wants to enter that. A stored password is saved automatically. जो नहीं है वो हम एंटर करने पड़ते हैं। इस तरीके का हमारे पास डिजिट्स हैं जो पासवर्ड एंटर होते हैं। ग्लोबल 2D array है, टाइप स्ट्रिंग है, सीक्रेट है, ये सारी कहानी है। अब ए पार्ट के अंदर क्या कह रहे हैं? राइट अ सूडो कोड फॉर मॉड्यूल रैंडम कैरेक्टर and you may wish to use insert for a description. I need to write a pseudocode module for random character. So random character, where are you? Here you are. What it is written in your random character? It is written that it generates a single random character from within one of the following ranges, like A to Z, small a to z, capital A to Z, and small 0 till 9. हमें एक ऐसा रैंडम कैरेक्टर का मॉड्यूल लिखना है तो जनरेट कराएगा रैंडम कैरेक्टर इस रेंज के अंदर। और जो रेंज उन्होंने मुझे दी हुई है वो उन्होंने मुझे कहा है दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी ईदर फ्रॉम स्मॉल ए टू जेड, if it is from capital A to Z, or if it is from 0 till 9, and last I need to return this character. So the first thing I need to discuss right here that even if it is a function or procedure, but it is written that it is returning a character. That means that it is a function. So the first thing you are going to do right here is you are going to declare your function, and the name of that function is your random character, and it is also returning a string value. And it returns, wait, it's not a string, it's returning the character. It's returning the character value. Now, you see that this is some ranges given, and you have some characters as well. So you are going to declare here that if you have this range, and you are going to declare that if you have this character, this range is going to be integers, and this character is definitely going to be a character. Now, the first thing I need to do in this question is that I need to select the range, that in which of the range I am going to start it. And that range could either be like, for example, this, this, or this. So I'm going to write here this range. It should definitely be in an integer, and a random number should be generated out of these generate of any integer random number. That means that out of a random of three, any option could be generated, either one, either two, or either three. And in the next part, I am using a loop of case of this range. Now, I have three ranges given here. This is the first one, this is the second, this is the third one. I'm simply going to write it right here that in your first range, this character, your character should be integer, randomly generated. The value should be here from 26 plus 65. And 26 plus 65, I have taken it from right here. That means that I need to take the numbers from 65 to 90, this range. And just a moment, 6 plus 6 plus 65 is 91. What do you think? Which range should I take? Should I take the range from 26 to 65, or should I change this range to 65 to 90?
65 to 90.
Your range should be 65 to 90. And the second one is your this character. This is in lower cases, which is 97 to 122. You can take it as character, integer, randomly generated from 97 to 122. 97 to 122. And the last is going to be your this character, which is 48 to 57, 0 to 9. Integer, randomly generated, and out of 10 values. You can AND case, return this character, and AND function.